Greetings, fellow tech seekers. Shawn from Silicon Theory here, and this is the iPhone XR. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this iPhone in the product red colorway. So if you have any questions about the XR, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. So this will be the fourth unboxing this week or this month or whatever the heck it is. It's been a long month and we've had a lot of phones to take a look at, but I am very excited to get a look at the XR because it is something very distinctly unique from Apple. So without further ado, let's dive in. Got your standard plastic, which we will hopefully get rid of. Designed by Apple in California, as always. We've got the little red color tab here, which is kind of a nice touch since it is the product red device. Got some stickers, your SIM tool, the usual 9 yards. We'll go ahead and throw that back inside for the moment. See if Fat Fingers me can get that taken care of. So right away, you'll notice we have the very striking black and red colorway, the product red version of this device. I have to be honest, it looks really, really nice in person. I'm not a huge fan of the camera hump, which you've kind of been used to dealing with if you've had an iPhone over the course of the last couple generations. They've had that hump, so you probably don't want to slap a case on it, but you might want to think about it because of the way that it'll wobble if it sits on the table by itself. So we've got the screen wake and lock switch here and the SIM tray down below. On the other side, we've got the mute toggle, we've got the volume rocker up and down, and I'll put it to the side for just a moment, so let's take a look. If you watched our iPhone XS Max unboxing video, which I'm sure that you did, you'll see that, again, basically you've got the same small 5-watt power adapter charger and our Lightning headphones in the box, as well as the USB-A to Lightning connector, and that's pretty much it. So Apple's got some additional accessories which they'll charge you for happily, but that's not what you came here for. Let's peel some plastic. So again, the device has a very good heft in hand. The mirror finish on the back is not too bad. Hopefully that shows up on camera there, but it's kind of glossy, so it's very reflective for the lights in the room here, but it's rather deep and it's really rather striking in person. And the sides of the aluminum rails are anodized very nicely. It's a little bit more of a matte finish, but of course we have the glass back that supports the wireless charging standard. Now, the single camera lens, but other than that, we have pretty much the same internal specifications that the iPhone XS and XS Max got. So let's see if we can fire this bad boy up real quick. And I know that a lot of you are really going to want to know about the screen. There's a lot of concern and a lot of comments about the screen, so we're definitely going to be doing a deep dive into that, and we're going to compare it to the XS Max that we have and also the 1080p panel of the Pixel 3. So let's see if we can get through the boot animation here and take a look at what the brightness looks like on Apple's new Liquid Retina LCD display. So looks pretty solid from here. I'm going to take a look. Viewing angles are a little bit off axis, but it's not too bad. So hopefully it'll show up on camera that this is actually going to be a pretty good option for a lot of people, especially if you're coming from a iPhone 6 or 6S or 7. If you've got the iPhone 8, you may not want to consider upgrading unless you're really, really interested in this 6.1-inch size display, because as you can kind of see, it's a pretty small footprint, pretty small form factor for that large of an LCD display. So that's it. Thanks for joining us for the unboxing. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you drop a comment down below. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. And you can also subscribe to the channel using the icon that looks like our logo in the corner. And as always, we will talk tech soon.